under the rain. So we had to stop and restart. But right now, the rain is gone and we're having a very friendly weather, friendly atmosphere. So what we have achieved today, what we set out to accomplish is to first of all cast all the beam reinforcements for the deck, entire beam arrangement and design. We have gone almost 90% of that projection. We had some delays. Some of the laborers couldn't show up because the rain started very early. And we've been able to manage the resources and the manpower we have on ground to achieve our task for today. So please don't be disappointed because of the fluctuation in our live streaming. But I want to assure you that whatever we achieve today, that we have set out, which is doing the thing for the reinforcement beams, you can see the arrangements. There's a beam here on this edge. There's another one here. And then the one that goes around the perimeter of the structure as a portion that is chained all around. We almost completed that task. We've completed the task. Let me say half of this space, half of the floor, we have completed casting the entire reinforcement beams. So just to show you around, and if you have your suggestions, your comments, and recommendations, drop them in our down below. Yeah. So this is what we've been achieved. Well, this is what we achieved. We're able to achieve this, and let me also note that we had a challenge casting the reinforcement here. The board pulled, gave in, shifted from its alignment. That's the underside of this very beam. So that was a challenge we had. We had to also fix it. And you can see that the portion of that beam has been cast. Going right again. I want to show you something here. We didn't put concrete here because of this water supply pipe. Yes, this water supply pipe need to be extended. Yes, if we cast it, it's going to close this supply. So we give this space so that the plumber will come and extend this pipe, water supply pipe. Then our men will now finish the casting proper. So just take note of that. Looking at the height or the length of the pipe we have here and the other ones in the other portion of the house, you can see these ones are well extended, almost almost to a length of 6 feet. You can see the second one, that is the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So we gave that made that provision so that we can finalize that area as soon as the plumber does his job. Now coming to this portion, this is where we are right now, and this is the position of our stairway. We didn't use this because of it cannot carry the enormous load. just casted this a few days ago. We decided to use alternative. The rectangular stairway is what we're using. So coming to this side now, this is where the casting is going on. As soon as we are done with casting the reinforcement beams, we will stop for today and return on Monday, which is going to be streamed live as well. You're going to sit and watch the process live. So far, has some delays. These are unforeseen circumstances. So, but we're able to manage the situation because we didn't give up. We have to make sure that the casting went as planned. So by the time we return here on Monday, hopefully we are going to accomplish the remaining portion of the casting, which is the flooring now. To do that. So far that is what we're doing. Our laborers is doing some mixing there. Our mixing ratio for concrete, we're using a 1:10:10. For every bag of cement we're mixing, we are using 10 head pounds for sharp sand. That's the head pound there. 10 parts of that to a bag of cement and 10 parts of the granite you are seeing. That is stone. 3/4 size of granite. So we have a 1:10:10 of our mixture. Aerial view of this neighborhood. We're going to see houses, enormous houses springing up here and there, and we're also going to see some ongoing projects. Yes, the roof you're seeing there was done about a month or 2 months ago. Then on this side, when we came, that structure was still at ground level. And by April, the time we resumed this project, this house was being roofed. So you can see that a lot of investment is channeled to this part of Abia State. So if you're a civil engineer, real estate enthusiasts, building enthusiasts, or an engineering intern that are doing the industrial training, we would like you to follow what we are doing here, bring in your suggestions. Engineer, civil, mechanical, structural, electrical, those are into HVAC. Want to read your comments, recommendations, as well as your candid advice as regards this ongoing project. But the pace and their strategy we are deploying, or we have deployed, to make sure we're at this stage. In fact, if you're just joining me or you're just watching, this is your 123 YouTube channel. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well. This channel will bring you building project series right here in Southeastern Nigeria, in West Africa. So, and again, we are bringing you current happenings and news from Abia and other parts of Abia State and Southeastern Nigeria. So make sure you hit our subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and select all so that every video we upload quickly made available to you. It be on your doorstep. So keep watching the One to Title channel. Can assure you, I can tell you confidently that when this project started from scratch, I was here from day one when we're doing the setting out, and you can see from setting out to trenching, that's digging the foundation, and implementing the design for the foundation. And here again, and here today, this is where we are. A lot of fun has gone into this project. Not just this project, we also have other projects around the southeast, particularly Abia State and Enugu State. So, are you watching? You need our expertise, our service. Please drop the comments, drop the information on our email, or drop it on our comment section. Or you can do a DM to make your request, and we'll attend to that as soon as we have your request. So slowly and steadily, making huge progress. For today, we're not finishing this job today, but hopefully by the time we return on Monday, we'll be able to set out to achieve. And I want to about about 2 o'clock. How about that? Because someone who do many games yourself when they hang it. Just everybody. Na kaa kesi lejikere. Musafa. Nye. Settle them now. No. So friends, from the saying, do have a nice day to conclude a live coverage. Thank you and see you next week.